Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete reposts on Snapchat. I'll be honest, the first time I tried removing a repost on Snapchat, I thought it would be buried somewhere complicated, but it's actually much easier than it looks. Let's say you just reposted something and instantly change your mind. All you have to do is tap on that same post again, and it will undo the repost right away. Now, what if it's an older repost and you can't find it on your feed anymore? Here's what I do. I tap on my profile icon in the top left corner to open my account. Then let's scroll down until I see the section for favorites and reposts. Once you're there, you see everything you've reposted. Simply tap on the reposted item again to remove it. You'll notice the number updates immediately. For example, if you had to repost and undo one, it drops to one instantly after refreshing. That's it. No complicated settings, just a quick toggle. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.